Hi friends, welcome to another video. Sorry, I am doing my intro and outro in the car. It's because my house is like really noisy right now and I didn't want to disrupt my video for you guys with that. So anyways, today we are going to be making the most perfect rice, white rice in an Instapot. And it is so easy, so quick, and I honestly don't think I'm gonna make it any other way. Unless I get a rice cooker and for some reason it's better. I don't think that's gonna happen though. I mean, I might get a rice cooker down the road, but I don't think it's gonna be better than this. So let's get right to it. I hope you guys enjoy. So first you're gonna need an Instapot. Please excuse the melted front of my lid. My daughter accidentally left it on the stove when she was cooking. So it does work just fine still though. So you're going to need an Instapot, and you will also need some basic white rice. So I am making a large batch, so I'm going to be doing 3 cups worth of rice, but in all honesty, you just do, the ratio is 1 cup with 1 cup. So 1 cup of rice with 1 cup of water. If you want to make a larger batch, just do 2 cups with 2 cups of water, or 2 cups of rice, or 3 cups of rice and 3 cups of water. You get the point. So I'm doing 3 cups of each. So this is what makes it the perfect, best rice ever. You're going to want to add a stick of butter. I'm only adding half of a stick. Do not add a whole stick. That'd be way too much. So I am going to be doing 4 tablespoons worth, and I'm going to be cutting it up in 3 so I can kind of place it in there and so it could heat up correctly and mix in well while it's cooking. I would actually do 4 tablespoons also for the 2 cup ratio, but for 1 cup, I would just do 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to stir this up just so you make sure that all the rice is saturated in water, that there's none sticking out of the water, and it can look just like this. And now we're going to add the lid. And after you add the lid, make sure you put it on sealing. So you just move the knob all the way to the back where it says sealing. And then you're going to want to do the timer for 4 minutes. So you can do it for 3 minutes as well. That does work also. But because I have such a large batch, I'm going to do 4 minutes. If you have a smaller batch, do 3. After it's done cooking, I'm going to let it naturally release for 8 to 10 minutes. Because it's a larger batch, I'm going to do the 10 minutes. And that means you just don't mess with the vent on the top of it for that long. As soon as it hits the 10-minute mark, I am going to move the vent on the top to venting instead of sealing or sealed. And you're going to see the steam coming out pretty rapidly, and take it away from any cupboards. You don't want it to be going on that. And I'm going to let it do that now for about 3 minutes. All right, now after letting it sit in there for an extra 3 minutes, we're going to take off the lid, and I'm going to show you how perfect this rice is. As you can see, there's no excess water. It's not dry. It's very moist, and yeah, it's just perfectly done, especially because the butter added a nice touch to it. I feel like it makes it more of a smooth texture, and also it gives it a little bit of a flavor. So it's really, really nice, and I just will always cook my rice like this from now on because it is just, it's perfect. And here it looks. Here is an up close look at how it is after I've taken it out of the Instapot. It is just absolutely delicious. Just add anything to it. I will be making this into a chicken and rice thing. It's really good. I think I have a recipe on that on my channel. If I do, I'll leave it in the description box below. But yeah, this is how it looks. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you learn something new about what you can cook in an Instapot. I know a lot of people are afraid to use the Instapot. It just overwhelms them. So I like to do videos on super simple things to do in an Instapot. I'm still learning myself. So anything that I learn that I find really easy and that would take away some fear, I definitely want to share it with you guys. So I learned how to make this rice online, and I'll put a link down below to where I learned it from, if that's the correct wording. And yeah, so you guys know that I did not create this idea myself, but I wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope this was very helpful for you. All right, guys, it is raining, as you could probably hear, and I gotta get to doing my errands, and I thank you for watching this video. Give me a like and subscribe if you are new. I do make a lot of videos like this. I'm planning on making more videos like this, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.